So, we did something today.
We did something today.
We sure did. What do you think we did?
You ready?
We got some new babies.
Oh yeah, you ready?
I think so. Hey, hi.
You're that cutie.
Hi.
Hey, piggy, 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 piggy.
Hey, piggy, piggy.
Hey, piggy, 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 piggy. Oh.
Oh, look at how cute this little cocoa is. She's so cute. Say hi. Yeah. Mama only had room for one on their lap. But you know what? There might be another one down by Mama's feet.
Yeah, I can't get in.
There she is. Oh, so precious, sleeping down there. Yeah. So that's what we did today.
Yes, ma'am.
We're on our way back.
Yes, ma'am.
And we're going to introduce these two little girls to the puppies. And we're going to see if they want to run around and play with them. Oh, it's going to be so much fun, I think.
Yeah, join us, shall you?
Yeah.
Girl, boo, my coffee, boo, you asshole. Down. Spill my coffee, big guy.
I just want to smell you for a minute, okay?
What's that?
Back up, guys. Back up, guys.
Hey.
They're not. She's not used to you guys. You gotta back up. No bed. No bed.
Bad.
No bed.
Bad.
Hey guys, don't let him poop on me, guys. Move.
We shitting ourselves? We
Shit.
pooping ourselves?
Yeah. Can you get him off me for a minute?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where's Lou?
She's not interested.
Hey, sit. You guys gotta be good. Mama baby. And Mama new baby. Not so hard, boo boo. I felt that on my hand. No cookie.
Cookie, get out of there. These aren't just for you.
Gentle boo boo. Okay. You're Mr. Coon, Mrs. Coon Coon. I keep calling you Mr., but you're a Mrs. There. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Boo boo. Back it up. Now.
Back it up, boo boo.
Boo boo. Back it up.
Be a good boy, boo boo.
Hi, pretty princess. Hi, pretty princess. Hi. It's okay. That's Duke. That's Mr. Duke.
He's a real terror.
He's real terror. Alright? He's gonna want to play with you. Sometimes he plays a little rough because he likes to bash his head into things.
Let's poop on my pillow there. From the pig. Let's pig poop.
I'm not sure if it is or not.
I gotta run pillows. I'm gonna run pillows too.
I think that's a good idea. Maybe I'll do that all day tomorrow
Oh.
while we're cleaning. Because G&G's coming over.
G&G.
G&G doesn't even know about the baby piggies. Hey, boo-boo, you're really gonna scare her, boo-boo.
Boo boo.
Okay? Just let her get familiar for a minute.
Boo boo. Teddy. Teddy, come here. Sit
Oh,
down.
they smell like maple syrup.
Sit down.
Oh, my coon smells like maple syrup. Oh, you smell like We gotta come up with a name for you two. What are we gonna name you? Huh? What are we gonna name you? Huh? What are we gonna name you?
Teddy.
Nope, we can't name you Teddy. Say we already
Teddy.
got a Teddy.
Teddy, come here. Sit down. Duke, sit down. Sit down.
Are you getting my hair in your mouth? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wow, they're just so chill and precious, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, pretty little girl. You got brown eyes. Our other piggies have got blue eyes. Yeah. Yeah. See, our potbelly's got blue eyes.
Bobo. 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 Come sit down.
What do you think, Cookie?
Cookie, cookie,
What do you think,
cookie.
Cookie?
Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Hey, Boo-Boo. Mama's petting there, Boo-Boo. What do you think? Should I try and put her down?
Yep. Let's see her move.
I'm
Hey,
not
Teddy.
holding her. Leave her alone.
Come here, Bobo.
Boo-Boo.
Bobo. Come here. Come here. Sit down. And up. Hey, that's not sitting down. Sit down. Hey.
Gentle guys.
Be nice, Cookie. Hey, Cookie. Be nice. Hey, Bobo. Bobo, be nice.
You let her go, Boo-Boo. She just wants to come around here. What is that, Boo-Boo?
She's checking the equipment. She said, "What's a girl?"
It's a girl, she said. What do you think of that, Cook? Yeah, we got another baby piggy. That's a coon.
Hey, Teddy.
That's
Come
a
over here.
coon.
Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Sit down.
Gentle Cookie. Hey. Yeah. Good.
Great. We got the TV watching.
We do. She's watching her TV. Hey, Boo-Boo. No, Boo-Boo. No, do. No.
You want to get a piece of toilet paper and pick that up?
I sure will.
For the pig eats it?
For the pig eats it or the dog?
Somebody, James. Thank you. We're eating something over here.
Little pieces of stuff that was on Teddy's face. She's nibbling on them.
Bobo, let me look too.
Come on, Boo-Boo. Other people want to see too, Boo-Boo.
Come on, guys.
He likes Boo-Boo.
Thanks for helping.
I was watching the cuteness.
I know.
Oh, because Miley's even seen it.
No, she's in Miley world.
Gentle Luna. Almost as big as you, Luna. Gentle Luna. Mama likes that. Mama likes that, guys.
Luna Tuna.
It's okay, Luna. Aw, she's licking your face. She's giving you kissies. That's what she's doing. She's giving you kissies. Cookie's like, I don't want no kissies.
Boo-boo's like, I want kisses.
Boo-boo's like, kiss me again, please. Kiss me again. I really want your kisses.
Boo-boo's like, this piggy different.
This piggy's hairy.
She don't like it. She don't like it.
Oh my gosh, that's way too cute. The pig is licking Teddy's face.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, so precious. Now I gotta get the other one still.
Yes, ma'am. It's almost that time.
You'll let me know?
I think it's that time.
All right.
Bobo, Cookie. Did you hear that, Miley? Did you hear that, Miley? We're grazing in the living room. Show Miley so that she's not totally shocked when things happen. She heard it squeal. Show my tie. How's that for a pig, boo-boo? Boo-boo. Oh, my Miley, oh, my Miley, oh, I think so.
Boo-boo. Look at Boo-boo. Hey, Boo-boo. Hey, Boo-boo. Hey, Boo-boo. Hey, Teddy. Look what Mama got. Teddy. He doesn't even notice that there's two yet. What do you think he'll do?
I don't know. Teddy. Bobo. Bobo.
Boo-boo's like, am I the daddy?
I know. Hey, Bobo. You being a good boy over here, Boo-Boo? Boo-Boo, you are a lot bigger than that pig.
I know. Compared to this pig too then. Look at Boo-Boo. Look at Cookie. Hey, hi.
Miley. Miley. Good girl, Miley. Bobo. Yeah, he did. He's willing to army crawl through a table for it.
Hey, Boo-Boo, come here. Sit. No, you come back here. I want you to come here for a minute. I want to talk to you for a minute. Come here. I want to talk to you for a minute. He's like, no. He's like, I'm way interested in the pigs, Mom. Hey, sit. 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 Look at Mama for a minute. Look at Mama for a minute. You like Mama piggies?
Like him. He loves them. Yeah. Yeah. You got some supervising to do, Sally.
Got some inside piggies.
You got some supervising to do, though, today, Sally.
I sure will. Duke's got like his whole nose in the air.
Duke, get your whole nose in the air like that. Good boy. Good boy. Mai Tai. Mai Tai. Miley. Come here. Round them up. My good puppies, yeah. Oh.
So precious. Maybe we could get them a blanket so they have something to lay on the ground.
I think so, darling. If you could do some stuff to make them feel comfortable around here, that'd be fantastic.
I sure will.
Welcome to Majestic Farms, guys. A couple more animals running around the living room.
Cookie looks like she wants to start playing.
Cookie's like, hey, that's my toy. Well, that's a pretty good piggy birthday, James. Happy birthday 29 one more time.
Thank you.
I think G&G are coming into town. They're looking to party for your birthday too.
I know, they don't know we got the babies yet.
Nah, we give Mom a cookie or two and we'll all have a pretty fun time, I bet.
That sounds fun and exciting.
Yeah, cool. Hey, Boo-Boo the babysitter. Hey, Boo-Boo the babysitter, huh? Good boy.
Wow, you taught Boo-Boo a good thing. Yeah. Sit up there and watch. Be babysitter.
Such a good boy.
Like I wanted to, Mom, so bad. I just want to send her a picture.
Such a good boy.
Should I send her a picture of Boo-Boo looking down and say, Mom, Boo-Boo got surprised for you from there. No baby piggies yet.
Guys, run up in here for a little bit. Boo-Boo, get a look at you. We're potty training again.
Potty training. Oop, peeing.
It's a good call.
Still peeing. Good girl, piggy piggy.
Doke. Oh, he's way excited, dude. He knows this routine. Dope. Be nice.
Excited for him. He's like, get him out of here.
Yeah, he's so excited.
Those little waddles are really cute.
Yeah.
Hey girls! What are you doing, my cute little coon-coons?
You're gonna have to blow this out and see what grows for you guys.
Yep, other one's peeing good. Both peeing like good girls. Both peeing like good girls.
I've been letting the leaves kind of hide this, but I guess it's time to unleash
Blow
it,
it
huh?
out, yeah. Well, they both went pee. Should we bring them back in?
Yep, I'd say we call that a thing, darling.
I do too. I got the little one. She's lighter. You want me to take the big one because she's sleepy? Here.
Come on, let's go back in where it's warm.
Come on, guys. Let's go inside.
I'm doing it. Come on, guys, let's go.
We'll follow Duke. We'll follow Duke. Come on. Come on, guys, this way. This way.
We got everybody? Come on, Mai Tai. Now we got everybody.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Place is a mess.
Come on, baby.
Get them used to that walk, huh?
Wow, that is so precious.
You're digging that?
That is so precious. Well, come on, guys, this way. Wow, I'm in love with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacon 1 and bacon 2.
No. Put on some cartoons for the puppy dogs.
Hi, Cookie. Hey, Cook. Hi, Tuna. Hi. Still mama, baby girl. Still mama, baby
You pick up a
girl.
turd if you see a turd?
I will.
Thank you, darling.
I have not seen any more. Mama likes those. Oh, thank you. Mama likes those. Yeah. Mama likes those. They're so cute. Hi, Biggie Biggie. Bobo. No bad, Bobo. No bad, Bobo. Looks like they're going to take a nap. Duke, no bad. No bad. Get out of there. No bad. Get out of there. I was talking to you, Duke. I was talking to you, Duke. I want to do bad. No bed cookie. No bed cookie. Out. No bed. Cookie, no bed. Out. No bed. Let's go. Come on, Duke. Nobody said no bed neither. Go. Leave them alone. They're sleeping.
Use the ramp, Miley. Miley, use the ramp. Come use the ramp. Use the ramp. Atta girl. Atta girl, Miley. Use the ramp. Scoot, scoot. We got a smart pig.
Where's the other pig?
That way. Duke. Alexa, outside lights white.
Okay.
Just dead dark out here. Okay, guys, everybody in. Uh-oh.
We'll open the door and the dogs will come.
They don't see the dogs. Come on, Miley. Come on.
Come on, let's go in. It's cold out there, guys.
Nice work.
Nice work.
Somebody went to the bathroom?
Oh, yours did.
Nice.
Mine did not. Come on, guys, let's go. Bring them in here.
Nice work. Come on, let's go. What do you think we have a timer for?
For this stuff.
Whee! This little piggy went wee, wee, wee.
Good girls.
You got all the puppies?
We got them all. Let's count them, though.
What do you got going on here, James?
I gotta make a pizza for dinner.
I'm pretty excited. We don't.
We can't order a pizza around here.
No, we make our own. Over here at the homestead. It's homestead pizza. With jalapenos, I think. Looks like whole wheat flour.
Hey, shh. I only used 1/4 cup in here. Can you believe that? And the rest was normal flour.
It looks amazing.
It's gonna taste. It's gonna taste fantastic. I can't wait for pizza.
And it looks like you've got a nice amount of cheese also.
Yes.
Freshly ground, I assume.
I sure do. You guys big enough? Sorry.
It's okay. It's just crust from the last pizza.
Yes. It's flavor, baby. Flavor. Who's chewing?
Cookie. She's gonna chew it right on off. Can't believe you got a couple little pigs running around here, James.
I know, they're so cute. I think they're sleeping. The dog exhausted them.
Yeah, they're not used to, they're ready for dinner.
I can't believe they follow us down the hallway.
Yeah, they go to the bathroom so far a little bit.
Outside. But they go inside too.
They go outside and then come back, though. That's the important part.
Yeah.
Imagine we start feeding them what they'll do.
Wow.
Then they'll really come back.
These things are so stinking cute.
Nice work. Looks like they're watching themselves, Jane.
They're just so stinking cute, aren't
Jeez
they?
Louise.
The dogs are like, please let them sleep. Do not wake them up. Ooh, we got some pizza sauce now.
It's wet.
Sure is. Have I told you how much work an 8-week-old pig is?
Tell me.
Plus 2, because we got 2 of them.
It makes it tougher?
Oh man, I'm following them around like they're 1-year-olds that just learn how to walk.
Wow.
But they're cute. I'm exhausted. We're gonna make a nice pizza. It's a good weekend at pizza.
When's the last time you made a pizza?
Oh, it's been a while. We made one not too long ago, right?
I guess we cheated and we got a frozen pizza. And we doctored a frozen pizza a few times. So but making one from scratch, it's been a little while.
Yeah.
You don't like the tomato chips?
No, do you?
Nope.
There, let's do that. Give us food now.
Ooh, no.
She didn't eat really. She's still got to get out.
Some supersonic going on, you know.
So bad.
I think I just made that better.
Okay, done with that.
Nice.
You want the jalapenos on top?
I don't know. Jalapenos on top or under the cheese.
What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm
Like, it's a
afraid if
topping.
you do it on top, that it will like shrivel up.
Right. So what I was kind of thinking is put a light layer of cheese.
Oh yeah.
The things, and then put a light layer of cheese.
Oh yeah.
How about that? So half cheese now, half cheese when we're done.
Alexa, do I put my jalapenos under the cheese on my pizza or on top of the cheese on my pizza?
From cookiesandcups.com. Place the jalapenos evenly on top of the grated cheese.
Do you want it on top?
No, I just wanted to talk to her about
You just wanted to prove something else.
I had no idea what she would
I
say.
didn't know either.
I had no idea she'd pull something out of what I said.
I figured it had to been top because they're toppings. But there's a lot of times that it just depends on.
We're gonna have a medium.
Uh-oh, the piggy piggies are back up again.
Welcome, piggy piggies. You want me to let a little juice out?
Yes, please.
Yep, there it is.
So cute.
They got a lot of noise to them. I don't remember the pot-bellied pigs being like that, but I guess we didn't let them run around either, though.
Right. They were in the closet or outside.
Don't eat that one. That's a funny one.
I don't like those ones. I'm sorry.
2 of them. Just put a pile out right here. Oh yeah, you're gonna thank yourself later.
Thank you. There's never been. I was thinking, oh, I was gonna do it.
I'm gonna go check it out.
I'm glad you helped me.
Absolutely not.
I know, they're just loud.
Alabama we saw today though, huh?
We did. We got into Alabama. That was pretty
Alabama
cool.
we saw today is, it's bigger. There's a lot more stuff than around here, huh?
Yeah. How does that look?
I don't know. I almost want to say more, but am I crazy?
More hot peppers?
Am I crazy? No more. You're right. It is hot. I didn't think of that. Couple more. Yeah, that spot needed it for sure.
You know, my hands are gonna burn from it.
Good work. Okay. My lid for my marinara sauce is never going to be the same.
We're gonna use it for the next couple of days anyway. It's gonna be for another pizza anyway.
I'm super excited. You know, you could do like pizza bread.
Yeah. Well, this time I used all the gum on it. You know, we made it before because I had so much extra.
That's your dice hand there, huh?
Yes, yes.
Whoa. Silence. Whoa. That's more of a spinning sock puppet hand, huh? I like it.
I hope it turned out good. I'm excited for pizza. You know how long it's been since we've had pizza? Are you ready for me to put it in?
I should chop some fries or what?
Yeah, I still gotta make dog food too, and it's still gotta rest for a minute. So, but yeah, we're gonna do fries next.
I don't know. I'll chop fries. I'm not sure of the pizza.
I need to switch things over.
Yes, ma'am.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Second timer, 10 minutes, starting
Okay.
now.
French fries.
Hey, babies. Uh-oh, can you pick up Luna's dog food bowl when you have a second?
Yep.
Potatoes for the dogs.
Nice.
Nice.
Now what are they?
Skins for the piggy.
Nice work on that pizza.
Pizza.
Nice jalapeno pizza. First time we ever did that, huh?
No, it looks fantastic.
First time we ever did that, though, huh?
It's first time. You know, I might put a little bit of cream cheese on mine. Those jalapenos.
I'm excited. I got the French fries all lined up.
Yum.
Nice.
Smile for me, boo-boo.